How to turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. So if you want to turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you've opened, now you can simply update your application if you have not updated your Chrome browser. And once you've updated, you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on that, and then you will have settings option. Tap on settings, and under your settings, if you scroll down here, you will have privacy and safety, right? Tap on privacy and safety, and under that, if you scroll down under security, you will have safe browsing. So tap on that, and here if you want to turn off the safe search filter in Google Chrome, then you need to choose standard protection, or you can choose enhanced protection. But you should not choose no protection. No protection means you have turned off your safe browsing. So if you want to turn that on, then choose the standard or the protection or the enhanced protection. So standard protection is against the websites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. And enhanced protection is to faster proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. It warns you about password breaches, requires browsing data to be sent to Google, and everything. So simply choose these two options, and that's how you can turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.